The last class something we have tried an example of this data images, FIL0 and FIL1 with the process
Okay.
name, but it went failed. The
Oh, you got error
example.
message, right? Okay,
Yes,
okay.
yes.
Let's try today.
Muted.
Okay, let me start whatever the process change we have started last time. Okay, it's a 9 p.m. batch. Yes, create data source. I'm creating a data source. For example, data source for December 31st. Transaction data. It's a data source for Delta. Extraction. Delta process. FILO. Then what I'm doing here is I'm going to select application server, click on file and close. Okay, open directory home, transaction data variable, copy name, header rows to be ignored 1, say separator with separator, say comma, proposal tab, load example data, fields tab, SMID 11, product ID, so quantity, so V quantity, units. Have you guys tried this in your systems?
No, Kiran. Sorry.
Profit, currency, zero currency, zero candidate, preview, activate and read preview data, continue. My my data source is ready. Where is my data source? December 31st. Okay, this is my data source. Let's go to info provider. Let's create one DSO. DSO December 31st. DSO for December. Easy to remember. Okay, it should be minimum. That's the 31st. Create. Okay, so key fields, info object direct input, SMID 11, product ID, you can add 0 calorie, continue, data fields, info object direct input, V quantity, V sales, V profit, continue, expand, 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 and check. This is a unique records. Okay, should get more option. Actually, we're not getting any options here for DSO. There should be update records automatically should be there. One option we are missing that. Okay, click on check. Any errors? No errors. Click on activate. I'm activating my DSO. Once you've done this one, this is my DSO. Right click on it. Let's create info queue. Standard info queue 31. Let's say it's going to be a standard info queue for December. Create, expand, settings. Okay. Actually, there is a one setting is missing in a DSO. Let's say sales dimension, and I want one more product dimension. It's going to be SMID 11. Continue. It's going to be product ID 13. Continue. And key fields, it's going to be V quantity, V sales, V profit. This is my key figures, time characteristics, info offset, 0 cal day. This is my time characteristic, unit, okay, time, sales, product, everything is perfectly fine. Click on activate. Done. Go back, get your info cube, right click, create transformation. It is data store object. What is that? DSO underscore 31. So everything is done. Yes. Activate. I have created a transformation. Then I need to create a transformation between my DSO. What is my DSO? Data store. It is December 31st. DS. Okay. Right click on your DSO. Create transformation. Select data source. Enter technical name. Enter your source system. So everything is perfectly fine. Click on activate. Continue. Okay, transformation is created. Now you need to go to data sources. Click on refresh. Select your data source. Click on create info package. This is info pack for initialization delta. Go to update tab. Select initialization delta. Select schedule. Click on start. Data was requested. Monitor PSA 20 records. Click on PSA. Open this.
Actually, we're supposed to do this example with process chain.
Yeah, first we're doing full load.
Okay. Okay, Kiran.
Okay, so once you've done this, right click on this, create DTP. So when I click on a create DTP, just go this. This is a full load. This is a DTP. First time, click on activate. Execute tab. Click on execute. Close. Request monitor. Administer data target. Click on activate. Select your request. Go, this is a December 31st. Full. Just give some name, job name. It is easy to remember. If you don't give, the system will generate a randomly generated number, so which you don't understand that. If you remember this, if you give some name, see, right now it has taken your name. Okay, now it is easy to find out. Status is active. It should be finished. refresh, refresh, wait for some time till it get finished. You can observe this report icon automatically displays here. Okay, now go to here, jobs, execute. It is finished now. Come back, close this, refresh here, check DSO, click on contents, field selection, product ID, execute, observe there is a data in the DSO. Now go back, go to info provider, select your info queue, right click on it, create data transfer process. It is I am creating a DTP in between DSO and info queue. It should be delta. Click on activate. Click on execute. Monitor, administer data target, select your info queue, field selection for output, salesman ID, product ID, click on execute. You can observe the data reached to the info queue. Now I want to check the delta. First I'm going to show you the manually, then we can create a transformation. So you need to find out first of all where is your flat file. Select your flat file, user SAP B74 DVPG work directory. This is my process chain home directory or work directory, whatever you can call. This is where my flat file is located. Open this flat file. I need to change some data. Let's say I want to change a data for record 1. What is the value here? Quantity 8. Make it is 2. Make it is 22222. Exactly same thing. Since we have a duplicate record here, you need to copy and paste here. If you don't have duplicate record, no need. Since I have a duplicate record repeating, the same value should be here also. Save this, close this. Now open BW, go to data source. Now I need to create one more info package. Create info package. I'll say info pack for delta. Go to update, say delta update. Then click on schedule. I'm loading manually, then I'll show you how to load with the process chain. First we'll check whether it is working or not. Click on start. Data was requested. Click on monitor. Select the request. Click on PSA. Click on continue. You can see it is not changed. This is a problem we are getting there in earlier. S1 is not changed. You should change. Why it is not changed? Open your DSO, extraction mode. Yeah, we have taken a proper file only. Okay, let's open this, check it out whether the data has been saved or not. Yeah, it is saved. Okay, we'll do one thing. Just click on change this, browse, and choose once again dir, because we changed that one, right? Then transaction data variable, copy name, then just activate. Now F3, refresh, go to manage, right click on DS, manage. You have one, the latest one, 93. Select it and delete. This is for delta. Can you see info pack for delta? This is info pack for initialization. Keep initialization, remove the delta. Okay, now there is no delta. Go and check here. There is only one request. Now what I can do is I want to execute my delta info package again. Click on start. Data was requested. Click on monitor. Select your request. Click on PSA. Click on continue. It is not changing, guys. This is a problem why it is not loaded earlier. It should change here now. We are taking the same file. Why these updates are not getting changed? S1, S1. We changed to 222, but it is not updating here. What would be the issue? Delta update. Extraction tab. Work transaction data. Are we changing the same file? D. Work directory. Transaction data variable. See, here it is not changed. What is this confusion? Earlier we have changed this one. It was opening, right? Now it is not opening. Now it is not reflecting the changes. This is really weird. I made changes. I have saved it. Let's say once again 222. Copy this. Okay. Now save this. Save it. No. Okay. Now open again, check once again. I want to check whether it has been changed or not. User SAP this dev work directory file. Okay, now it is showing. It's perfectly fine. Close. Minimize this. Okay. Right click on your data source. Say manage. Delete the latest request. Double click on delta. Click on start. Data was requested. Click on PSA. Okay, great. Now it is changed. Okay, whatever the latest has been done, it has been changed.
So actual problem was something the file was not saving with the data.
Yeah, it was not updated. If there is no data, how the data will be loaded?
Yeah, it's not a problem with the system. Yes.
Yeah, there was no delta. See, even I did 2 times now. One time it was updating, the other time it was not updating. So finally it is updated here now. So we have the data in the info package. Then what I need to do is I need to load this data to delta. So I need to create one more DTP. Create DTP. Okay. So this should be delta for DSO. Go to execute tab, activate, click on execute, continue, yes, administer data target, select this request, click on activate, select your request. It says delta, start, refresh, Refresh. Just click on refresh. Okay. Jobs, check whether it is successful or not. Yes, it's finished. Go back, close this, refresh. Okay. Now select it, click on contents, field selection for output. Click on this, execute. Yeah, now it is overwritten. 222. Okay. Now I can go to contents tab, click on change log, click on execute. Yes, there is a change. And the latest value is this. Wonderful. Now what I need to do? I need to send this data to InfoCube. So double click on InfoCube DTP. Very simple. Click on execute. Click on yes. Now click on administer data target. Please observe, guys, this is what very important here. Here first when we load 10 records, now I'm doing delta records. How many records we have changed?
Only one record.
Yeah, how many records added?
One record.
Yes, this is what important. That is called delta. Now select InfoCube, click on contents, field selection for output, click on change, execute. Now it will display. This is your, where is 222?
The it should be the 222, no? Sorry, P1, P1.
Yeah, it is showing you aggregated data. Can you see here? 142.
Yes.
Okay.
And why
display
is
what
that 6
was-
minus?
Sorry?
6 minus.
Minus is nothing but change. It is not minus.
Okay. Get it.
If the minus is before the figure, that is a minus. After the figure, it is a change.
Okay.
Okay. So it is aggregates the data, right? So it will display to you what is the changes has been happened. Fine.
Okay, great.
So this is how we need to check your aggregated data in the InfoCube. So InfoCube has got InfoCube got the what do you call? It is a delta records. Now what I want to do is I want to remove this delta record from the InfoCube. I want to load through the process chain. Click on delete. Click on yes. So I'm deleting the delta record. Click on refresh. Okay. So now select InfoCube, click on contents, field selection for output, salesman ID, product ID. Check now. There won't be delta record. Okay. Please check. There is no delta record. Now go back. Go to your DSO. Okay. Where is my DSO? Yeah. Here is my DSO. Right click on it. Say manage. Select your delta record. Click on delete. Done. Refresh. Are you guys getting this? What I'm doing? Why I'm deleting the data?
Yes. You want to do it again through process chain.
Yes. Okay. Once you done this, click on refresh. See, it's gone. I removed in the InfoCube. I removed in the data store object. Now I'm going to remove in the info package also. So right click on data source, create manage. This is the latest delta. Can you see here? Info package for delta. Select this, click on delete. So there is no more delta records now. Everything is deleted. Now I want to create through the info package. That's a process chain /ORSPC. Okay, create one process chain. Let's say PC _December 31st. Process chain for December 31st, enter anything, whatever you want to create. I'm just creating quickly. Start process, 31st, start process. Enter, change selection, immediate, save, click on save, F3, continue. I got my start process, expand load processing, post processing. Then I need to get my info package. Okay, so what is a delta info package? This is a delta info package. Copy this, go back here, execute info package, paste it here, continue. Now what is a DTP? Very important. DTP, I'm not aware of it. So look for, select one DTP, open it, go to extraction. This is a full, not this one. This is one more. This is a delta. This is a one. So this is my DTP technical name. Copy this DTP technical name, back, go back to process chain, look for what is your DTP technical name, open notepad, paste PLQOL, this is the one, select it. I got activate data store also, DSO also automatically. So once you've done this one, I need InfoCube DTP. Go to info provider. This is my InfoCube DTP. Copy this. Come back to process chain. Double click on data transfer process. Paste your InfoCube DTP. Select it. I got my InfoCube DTP also. Okay. Once you've done this one, I need to do further updating for DSO. You have anything you need to look for further? Yes. There is a one for further update DSO. Otherwise, you can click on create new, you can create. Okay. Now, no. Okay. Okay. Activating DSO 21. I don't want this DSO because I'm using for another one. Okay. Connect to this. Further updating DSO. Then connect to InfoCube from here to here. Okay, then if you want to create an index, you can create, otherwise it is not required. It is an option. Okay, I'm not creating that. Okay, once you've done this, click on rearrange. Then what I need to do? Activate, execute, standard priority, see yes. Okay, then click on job log, click on refresh, click on this. See, now the data is moving. Can you see one by one becoming green? Now the DSO is getting activated. It's an activation process. Now it is activating DSO. It takes some time because the data has to move from new data table to active data table. Click on this. Okay, wait for some time because it's still activating. It's activated now. Now it's going to further processing. Okay, it's up. It's failed here. Display error message. Installation request for this again with the same selection. Okay, what is the problem with this? Okay, till it is activated here, it is not moving to here. Then what I can do is I can skip this one. I can click on yes, refresh. Now it moved to this InfoCube. Open this InfoCube, administer data target. You can check record has been added. So data is available in the InfoCube. Select InfoCube, click on a contents, field selection for output, salesman ID, product ID, execute, execute. Can you see here? I got my data here. This is a delta record. You can see here, you don't need to open the data. By looking at here, it is added only one record. Is it clear, guys? This is how to load the data. Now we'll go to the DSO and check there. Right click on this DSO Okay. So here you can check administer data target also. Can you see this is a DSO? Go to contents, click on active data table, execute. Okay, the data is in the active data table. Can you see here 222? It is the latest data. Now we'll go to change log table, execute. Please observe this is a change. Don't get confusion, two times are there because we have loaded the data two times. We have changed the data. You need to observe that the latest time the data has been tracked the changes in the change log table also. So this is how you load the data through the process chain, the delta. Is it clear for everyone how to load the delta records?
Yes, Kiran.
Thank you. Bye.